got another package in the mail from Julie Larson, and I'm gonna see what it is. I get so excited when we get these packages. Card. And some more nests. Yay! And they've got the cutest little hearts on them. Can you see those? Different sizes. It's so great. And I see something else in here. Pouches. Look at how cool. Look at those. Perfect. The animals are going to love these. And what we do is we put these in warmers, we put these in warmers, and that way they're all nice and toasty warm when we need to slide some baby animals into them. So thank you so much. This is so great. I appreciate it so much. Bye.